If you think diamonds should be your best friend, you're wrong. Moissanites should be your best friend. I'm Gina with WTI, and the reason I say that is because I can get something like this 5 carat moissanite stone for so much less than a diamond would cost. I got this pendant and necklace from Nousali, and it is absolutely dazzling. So moissanites have a higher refractive index than diamonds do, and they're going to sparkle and shine more than any diamond does. The quality and clarity of the stone has impressed me so much. It's D-Color VVS1 and comes with a certificate of authenticity so that you can be certain that what you have is genuine, and you are going to get so many compliments on this necklace. It is a total head turner. The 18 karat gold plating just gleams, and the rhodium plating on the sterling silver chain is going to keep it in top condition. I really like the little accents that they put into this to really make it unique and cute, like the heart on the dangle part of the necklace. This comes exquisitely packaged and is perfect for gifting immediately after receiving it in the mail. You cannot go wrong with this necklace. For me, buying moissanite at this extremely budget-friendly price is a no-brainer, and that's my point of view.